This one's for my self-employed folks, specifically real estate agents, contractors, and others paid via 1099. Guys, I'm Tara Ryan with Fairway Mortgage, and today's tip from Tara is about the 1099 loan. One issue with folks who are paid via 1099 is often their tax return includes a number of write-offs, and lenders using a standard mortgage use your net income after those write-offs for you to qualify for a mortgage. And then this often means that folks don't qualify for as much home as they would like. This is where the 1099 loan comes in. Here's the value. We don't use the tax returns at all. We use the 1099s themselves and apply an expense ratio to account for whatever expenses there might be. But here's the thing. Most loans, that expense ratio is only 10%. That means we get to use 90% of the income shown on the 1099 to help folks qualify. All we need is a copy of the 1099s. We may need some proof of the year-to-date income to show what's happening currently, and then we'll get a 1099 transcript from the IRS. We do not need tax returns, so this also solves the problem. If someone has not filed their tax returns, it's not something that would come up or that we would need to know. So let's talk about who this is for. Well, most commonly, real estate agents. We see that this is a very useful loan for my realtor partners. And in fact, it's perfect for folks who've had a great year, but they don't qualify using traditional guidelines. And this product can absolutely come in. Listen, we can do this with as little as 10% down, although interest rates are a little better with 20% down. In fact, today, with 20% down, the rate is as low as 6.75 with a point. So basically right in there with conventional financing. With 10% down, we may be in the low sevens with a point, but with no mortgage insurance. So a great deal. These rates are for primary residence, and of course rates vary every day, but the loan also works for second home and investment property. So it's a highly flexible program. So who's the ideal borrower? Somebody who's received 1099 income for the last 2 years would be ideal, although we do have options for shorter time periods. In fact, there's even a subsection of this that's useful for somebody who was W-2 and then that same job transferred into 1099, but they don't have enough history yet to qualify. This product may serve them as well. So bottom line, if you're self-employed or you're paid 1099, let's talk scenarios. We underwrite these loans in-house here at Fairway, so I still control the timelines and my commitment to getting things done correctly and on time. So basically, we can still use our patented close on time guarantee. So reach out, DM me, text me, email me, send a carrier pigeon. We are here to help and would love to hear from you.